Hi everyone! I'm Eric. And now, sinimulan ko na ang aking day 1 sa exercise program. As you can see, my goal is to complete a 5 km walk with light intensity since kakasimula ko nga lamang. Right now, I'm eating ice cream since nagutom ako. And I have to stop by kanina to get a light snack. Overall, my body felt great. Ngayon naman ay day 2 na, kaya tinaasan ko na ang aking distance to 5.5 km. The reason why I choose walking as my exercise ay dahil I need to start from small. Kasi before, I'm not active in exercising, and this program is my biggest comeback. So, I need to condition my body one step at a time, and in accordance to the FIT principle. At kung nag-start ako ng high intensity agad, that would be detrimental sa aking kalusugan. Kaya ang lesson for today ay, take time to improve. Huwag madaliin, basta't consistent ka sa ginagawa mo. Day 3 na ang person. Ngayon ay nasasanay na ako mag-walk. And I felt good. Not just physically, but mentally as well. Pansin ko nga, mas naging clear ang aking mind. Nung nag-start ako sa training program na to, dati I always felt clouded by procrastination. But ngayon, I became more awake. And dahil dito, mas naiintindihan ko na ang mga lectures na naituturo sa akin ng mga profs. I didn't expect na exercise lang pala ang sagot dito. Ngayon naman ay day 4 na. Unang araw ng second week training program. Nagpalit ako ng cellphone sa pag-record sa Strava dahil umiinit na masyado yung nagamit ko ito. Ngayon, tinaasan ko na by 6.5 km ang aking walk. Actually, I never believed na kakayanin ko mag-walk ng ganito nung inaayos ko ng aking training program. But because of my perseverance and hardship, kinaya ko naman to with flying colors. Day 5 na. Since onti lang naman yung class ko ngayon, nag-decide na ako mag-exercise after the last class ko. It became my habit na kapag may free time, dapat ilaan na ang time na yun sa pag-exercise. But before doing all this, laging tandaan na dapat tayo ay mag-stretch muna. Ito ay para hindi ma-strain ang ating mga muscles. And also to improve our flexibility. For safety reasons naman, ay dapat tayo ay maging mapagmatsyag pag naglalakad sa kalsada. Look left and right before crossing a road. Always stay sa pavements. Tignan kung may nakausling bakal or anything dangerous sa nilalakaran. Magandang maging safe and healthy at the same time. Hala, ang bilis na ng panahon. Last day na ng aking exercise program. For the grand finale, ginawa ko ng 7 AM ang aking distance. This activity gave me a lot of reflections kung gaano ka-important ang pagiging healthy and fit as a UPLB student. The reason bakit ako ay palaging hinahapo kapag nag-switch classes from one building to another is that I'm not healthy enough. Thanks to FIT principle, I'm able to improve in 2 weeks. Sa tingin man ng iba ay maliit ito, malaking bagay ito para sa akin. And I'm proud of it. And after ng day 6, I believe na itutuloy ko pa ang aking training program for me to become the best version of myself. Salamat everyone!